came down to play you. Let yourself fall away in a spell. Dance with her in a way like a secret cabaret.
Everyone, I'll be reviewing this fragrance by Cristiano Ronaldo, and this fragrance is called Game On. Now, this was launched in 2020, so just about a year ago. And one thing about Cristiano Ronaldo's fragrances is that all of them are very attractive smell, very masculine as well, and you'll get compliments easily. Now, Play It Cool was one of the recent ones that I reviewed, and that was one of my favorite out of all the other ones. Now, if I compare this one with the Play It Cool, I'll still say Play It Cool would be the best one to go for that one. However, this would be my second best fragrance by Cristiano Ronaldo. Now, the main chords would be woody, fresh, aromatic, sweet, and warm spicy. Now, the top notes for this would be ice, papaya, apple, and cardamom, with a middle note lavender, violet, Elmi Resin. And base note, it has quite a few base notes. It has Cedar, Tonka Beans, Cashmere Wood, Juniper Berries, sugar, and Guaiac Wood as well. So it does have quite a few base notes, but one thing I love about this fragrance is that when it goes to base note, it smells even more attractive than when you first spray it. But overall, it's a brilliant fragrance, very masculine, long lasting, I would say as well. It would definitely last at least a good 6 hours or more. And it's a fragrance that I would actually recommend. It's one of my second favorite fragrance by Cristiano Ronaldo. And I like the bottle. The bottle is very similar to the Play It Cool and the red one as well, the first one that came out. And yeah, I like this. This one's matte black with the writing on it. You can see Cristiano Ronaldo, Game On. And the lid fits on perfectly. The nozzle is stable as well, so it won't break off that easily. And I love that bit as well here. Can you see it says CR7 and it's engraved on it? And I like this bit. It's really nice. And that's the only design that I like here. But this is a fragrance that it's a brilliant fragrance. But if you compare this with the Play It Cool, I would still say go for Play It Cool, and still go for this one as well as one of my second options. But Cristiano Ronaldo does make a great perfumes. Okay, the red one, the Legacy, the Play It Cool, and now the Game On, they're all perfect. I mean, all of them smells brilliant. You get compliments with each fragrance that he made, and you should try it out. They're affordable as well. So thank you for watching my video.